I passed out in year 1984 from Osmania Medical College and did my post-graduation from Gandhi Medical College. The reason to become an ear, nose and throat surgeon was because there are not many surgeons available who can give a good hearing. So I am trying to specialize in ear surgeries, that is micro ear surgeries, so that we can give good hearing to people who need hearing better. So the problem was that there was not much equipment as well as techniques available. We are trying to get that techniques so that we are able to give them a good hearing. Another thing which was very important, which made me to become an ear surgeon, was snoring surgery. That is, lot of people have snoring and they are having difficulty in getting sleep. So we are trying to specialize in giving them a good sleep and remove their snoring so that their partners also can sleep nicely. So the problem is we are trying to specialize in sleep and snoring surgery. This requires extensive training as well as equipment. SMS Hospital is equipped to provide both the equipment as well as necessary surgical interventions needed to correct your snoring as well as your sleep. Another aspect is voice. If there are a lot of people who have voice problems, they are unable to talk properly. There are professional voice users like anchors, teachers, and professional singers. These people need to go to Bombay, Pune to get their things done. So as SMS Hospital, we are providing them with phono surgery, that is improving their voice through surgical options. We are equipped with lot of laryngeal surgeries also. Microlaryngeal surgeries are the ones where we operate on vocal cords with necessary technical and equipment wise in a better way, so that we do minor ENT problems also can be resolved, so that you can have a good voice. So we specialize in these three areas which give you a better ear, nose and throat problems. Actually, I have been providing with services to lots of poor people. So the problem is, like everybody, there are lots and lots of hospitals which are unaffordable for the middle and lower middle classes. So our aim is basically to provide services to lower and middle classes so that they can afford the best quality care at affordable prices. So our motto is basically to reach lot of masses and give them this thing. I have been rewarded by Chandrababu Naidu at NTR this thing on occasion where I have operated free of cost on a patient who had a lung problem, on from which there was a foreign body which we have operated. The patient is doing very fine. Nasal endoscopy. With this we see the structures of nose. So this is endoscope, this is a camera, this is camera processor, and this is the TV in which we can see, and then we can record it on a computer. So this is called as nasal endoscopy. This is a light source, we are using this. Then you do a white balance and then you see whether it's working. Then what you do is ask the patient to have a view. So this view you can see it clearly on your, you can see this, see this is the one which you do. This is the inferior turbinate, that's the middle turbinate. Then you can examine the ears, see the tympanic membrane. See, this is how it looks, tympanic membrane of one ear. Then you can examine the throat. Bite the teeth. See, you can see the tonsils, you can do anything. This is another scope which sees and the angle. So you can use this as an angle and then you can see your vocal cords. See, this is the voice box. E. Can you see the voice vocal cords? See the vocal cords. E, Ganesh, E. See the vocal cords. E, record. E, say E. See, can you see the vocal cords? Beautiful vocal cords. See, this is how we are able to diagnose voice this thing. So that is where we want you to have a look. So this make difference. This is how we examine a patient of ENT.